That single-letter P file is a Python pickle, a serialized Python object stored in binary format for efficient data persistence between programming sessions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, inspect, or troubleshoot these Python data serialization files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading P-file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. P-files are Python pickle serialization files, storing Python objects in binary format for persistence and data exchange. They can contain any Python data structure, including dictionaries, lists, class instances, and NumPy arrays, enabling efficient saving and loading of complex program state. Python pickle files use a stack-based binary protocol, with versions 0 through 5 storing type-tagged object representations. They support recursive data structures, shared references, and custom class serialization through ULAR getState, URIAT, SEER, and setState ULAR methods in the Pickle protocol. The P file is widely endorsed for use with Python developed by Python Software Foundation. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the P file and select Open with. If Python is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If the P file still will not open, there's no need to stress. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, loading in Python. Open a Python interpreter or script and use import pickle, then pickle.load open file.prb to deserialize the stored objects. The loaded data will be restored as native Python objects ready for use. Ensure the same Python version and libraries are available. Next, security considerations. Never load pickle files from untrusted sources, as they can execute arbitrary code during deserialization. Pickle files can contain malicious payloads that run automatically when loaded. Use safer alternatives like JSON or MessagePack for data exchange with untrusted parties. Finally, converting to JSON. Load the pickle file in Python and convert compatible data structures to JSON using import JSON, then json.dump. Complex Python objects like custom classes or NumPy arrays require manual conversion. Use pandas.t2csv or pandas to JSON for data frame objects stored in pickle files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.